Yes, yes.
uppercase A, uppercase B, uppercase C, uppercase D, uppercase E, uppercase F, uppercase G, uppercase H, uppercase I, uppercase J, uppercase K, uppercase L, uppercase M, uppercase N, uppercase O, uppercase P, uppercase Q, uppercase R, uppercase S, uppercase T, uppercase U, uppercase V, uppercase W, uppercase X, uppercase Y, uppercase Z.
Say Kannada numbers.
ಕನ್ನಡ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ 1 2 3 4
Move the please.
1
5
2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10
Kannada run.
ಕನ್ನಡ ಆನೆ ಬಂತು ಆನೆ ಯಾವೂರ ಆನೆ ಸಿದ್ದಾಪುರ ಆನೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂತು ದಾರಿಕೆ ಬಂತು
Say Hindi numbers.
हिंदी नंबर्स 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12
13
13
14
14 15
16
16 17 18 19 20
Hindi run.
हिंदी लाइन मछली जिल की रानी है जीवाणु उसका पानी है हाथ से तो डर जाए पर निकल तो मर जाए पानी में डाले तो डर जाए
Happy Raja.
हाथी राजा कान चले सुटी राजा कान चले मेरे घर में आना हलवा पूरी खाना आओ पूरी बेटा पूरी बोली चटक पटक चटक पटक चटक पटक
Say aeroplane, aeroplane.
Aeroplane, up in the sky. Please take me with you. Where fly. Over in the ocean.
Travel so.
Oh, so high. Let's me in the rainbow in the sky. Big so paper. Lying on the floor. Fish had become tired. Fish had become tired. Chubby cheeks, dimple cheeks, rosy lips, teeth, curly hair, baby face, eyes are blue, lovely too, teacher's face, picture tube, S. Fishy, in a rock, Papa got it with a hook, Mama fried it with a fry, baby ate like a man, yum.
Say it's a spider.
Bitsy spider went up the water shoot down in the red and washed the spider up in the sun and ride up on the day. Bitsy spider went up the water shoot. Went up the shoot again.
Say zoom.
Zoom. We are the going moon. Zoom. We are the going moon. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's stop.
Say rain.
Rain. Come on, Daddy. Little you works with big pepperage and in money pool. Here is hope around the school.
Say numbers and words.
Numbers in verse. TWO2 THREE3 F4UR4 F5E4 SISE6 STVL7 PIGS8 MINE9
Say tables. One jar.
Tables next. 1 Java 1 2 Java
Say action words.
Action words: eating, sleeping, talking, studying, bathing, writing, sleeping.
Say magical words.
Magical words: sorry, thank you, please, actively.
Say fruits name.
Fruits: apple, banana, orange, watermelon, cherry, strawberry, grape, kiwi, pineapple, custard apple.
Say parts of body.
Parts of the body: head, eyes,
Forehead.
forehead, eyes,
Eyelash. Eyelash.
eyelashes,
Eyebrow.